Do you feel the vibes?
Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I like to show you guys how to install Lineage OS on a PC. Okay, let's get started. You need to download 2 files and a USB flash drive at least 2 GB for this. Let's download the files we need. Download links in the description. Go to the Android X86 project web page and download section. Make sure you download the ISO file. Now go to the Rufus website download section. And you can download the Rufus portable version. I already downloaded those files. First connect your USB flash drive and follow the steps in this video. Wait until Rufus create your bootable USB. Then close the Rufus. Now restart to your boot menu and boot from your USB. And follow the steps on this video. Enter the size in megabyte for the data img you want to create. Now restart, and remove your USB. Boot into your new Lineage OS. After that it's like setting up a new Android device. Enjoy. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.